Hey, this is Axe, and this is my 2019 in review. Started with a reject letter from South by Southwest for my movie submission. More disappointing was a suicidal deer that fucked up my Cadillacs in the hill country. Flew to the Heart Center in Colorado for an echo on the valve. Right from there to Florida for the Rolex in Daytona, thanks to the Cadillac V-Club tickets. And some fun in Jacksonville while I was there. Picked up another Aprilia, which has matured way more over the years than I have. Went to Motogp, then Indy to add some class to the Mecum auction. See some cool cars. Caught a music fest in Wimberley, made my helmet match the ape, brewed some July 4th beverages for a party, saw Alice Cooper in concert, took the ape to Colorado, brought Baron to play in the river and see Sunshine's Tree, had a blast riding despite going off the road once and catching a bird in the shoulder at 130, survived that only to have the bike totaled by another antlered assassin, but got away with just a bruised ass myself, saw Slipknot in concert, hung with friends at a resort, floated the river with Baron and spent the night in a cabin, saw GNR at ACL, replaced totaled ape with the bigger, faster one, flew to Miami, rented a Lamborghini, got a visit from the authorities and a nasty gram from the rental company, managed to have a drink or two as well, prided myself for the bourbon tour, put my Anarchy stickers on the ape, met Brienne, visited Fredericksburg, saw the TSO concert, heart got shitty, up to 206 beats a minute and rhythm all over the place. 3 of us went to Colorado to relax and call it a year.